all up in this fridge looking for something to drink.
It's time for a refill. Time for a refill.
Oh, fill me up, Lord. Fill me up till I overflow. Yeah, I need something to drink, y'all. Y'all, that song just dropped in my spirit. I mean, I'm sorry, but I just had to get it out. Anyway, I'm making some ranch chicken with the cream cheese. And yeah, it came out pretty good, pretty good. But anyway, hope you all enjoy the video. All right.
Shakes.
Y'all know I'm always in the kitchen trying something different. These are some crab pockets that I made. I came up with. And they came out really good. I used the crab meat, cream cheese, and green onions. And yeah, they were really good, y'all. I'm always doing something. But I wouldn't be me if I didn't do that. Okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. And until next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video if you haven't. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming. If you're an old subscriber, you know what we do over here. We share love.